Hey, it's Sal Governale. Big meals, small places. You know, I've shown you a lot of things in my backyard, but this recipe really is going to surprise you.
If there's ever been a guy on a mission, it's me, comedian and cooking fanatic, Sal Governale. Each week I travel around with just my toaster oven, showing people how to make big meals in small places.
Hey everybody, it's Sal Governale from
Big Meals.
Small Places. Corona continues, so we're breaking the rules. No toaster oven. We're making recipes all over the house. So if you want to see those great recipes, be sure to subscribe. Today, we are using the barbecue, and we're not grilling chicken on it. We're making delicious pizza. So check it out.
Today we're making a traditional pizza on a barbecue stone, crispy and delicious, plus a gourmet pizza with artichokes, hot peppers, and cherry tomatoes. But first, let's make the easy dough. 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, then 2 teaspoons of yeast, and then I like to add a good squirt of honey. If you don't have honey, you can use traditional white sugar, but the honey does make a huge difference. Put that into your dough mixer. Let that mix for about 30 seconds, and then add 2 cups of lukewarm water, about 1/4 cup at a time. Take your time with it. Don't add too much water, otherwise it'll get too squishy. The dough will eventually form into a beautiful ball, and it will clean up the bowl. And once it does, it will look just like this. Now it's ready. I take it out, I cut it into 6 little balls at 12 ounces each. I cover it in olive oil on a pan and then cover it with plastic wrap, let it rise for 2 hours. Now for the topping. First, 1/2 cup of hot peppers. You can use sweet peppers. Then 1 cup of marinated artichokes. I chop that up, throw that in the bowl. Oregano, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Then 1 cup of cherry tomatoes cut in half. Let that marinate nicely. Our dough is ready. Let's add some cornmeal to our pizza paddle to keep that dough loose. Flour your work surface. Take your 12-ounce pizza dough and press it out with your fingertips. Get it nice and round. And then I pick it up to stretch it. If you're afraid to pick it up to stretch it, use a dough roller. Makes no difference. Then take that round pizza dough, put it over your cornmeal paddle, make it nice and round on the paddle. Then from there, once that is set, add 3 tablespoons of pizza sauce and just spread it out with a spoon. Then sprinkle it with pecorino romano cheese. From there, I use a 4-cheese shredded pizza blend that I love, and it's cheap at the supermarket. Then we're gonna put it into the barbecue. This stone has been preheating for 1 hour at 500 degrees. Check it every 2 minutes and turn it every 2 minutes. This is the pizza 7 minutes later, crispy and ready to eat. Really good. Now remember that delicious artichoke topping? Let's add that to a pizza. This is it, 2 minutes in. And now I'm gonna show it to you 7 minutes later. Crispy, delicious. Artichokes, hot peppers, olive oil, oregano, pecorino romano cheese. Oh, amazing. 2 pizzas, 2 styles, on your barbecue, 7 minutes per pizza, and you will come off like the king of all pizzaolas. Enjoy.